Step into the Jeep 2016 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Hard Rock. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: connectivity group, Max Tow Package, Quick Order Package 24J Rubicon Hard Rock Package, Simulator Soft Top, 8 speakers, Alpine 9 speaker with all-weather subwoofer, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and audio jack input for mobile devices. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.